Alright, hello all. I'm going to do, for this one, Chapter 3, Exercise 10. It's, I still don't know what these are called. They don't have names. I don't know. For this one, once again, so I'll be showing you on this. This one's a bit more difficult. Took me a little bit to figure it out. The biggest issue is what you want to do with making it. I chose to do it all in one go, which, I mean, that's what I like doing, but if you want to do something else, feel free. So let's see. Okay, so I learned when I did for my use that this needs to be a little thinner. I made it a little too thick last time. Sorry. So let's make it 500. And that's 250. Yeah, good. Make this nice value 220. Big thing. Why did that go away? Okay, whatever. Don't make sure you. Sorry, okay, so that looks fine. I'm gonna try to do it in one step, as I said. There's different ways to do it. I just did it this way because I figured out how to do it, and I kind of liked it that way. That being said, it is probably one of the more difficult designs to do, and I had a good amount of difficulty with it at first because the issue was, like, I had to use tools I didn't know yet, which you guys don't know either, but you'll be fine. Use whatever dimensions you want, as always. I'm just kind of pulling it out of nowhere for this. So we're going to delete the segments, and I'm trying to go a little bit slower because I know it was an issue before with how fast I was going. So that will be okay. So I think because it's kind of difficult to see this one because I put so many lines in it. That one's being deleted. That one's being deleted. Oh wow, this is possible that I'll get this all in one go, which would be nice. Every other time I've tried, I haven't been able to do that. Oh wow, I'm so happy. You'll notice that mine is. I'm just gonna keep with that dimensions, whatever. You'll notice that like it obviously doesn't look like it should, and that's why like there are benefits of doing each piece separately. I just chose to do it this way because I think it's faster. Whether it is faster or not, I don't know. I just did something wrong. Oh, whoops, starts there. So right about there, I guess. This will be the thing that cuts it out to make it look like it's an actual, whatever you want to call it. So for this, I'm going to cut that out, and that'll give you that basic shape that you have for this. Once you do that, you'll realize that this is currently too thick. It meets the edge, which it shouldn't. So for that, I'm going to, sketch on here again. And this time, I'm going to sketch from the center. I just turn the circle off. From the center out to the edge. And that'll get me to, yeah, that looks. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to References, click on the edge of these lines, and I just did top of the circle and over here. So it kind of makes that little outline of it. You don't need to click on this one. And I just did, what did I do? I'm trying to think. I did line from here to, no, I didn't. I did Sorry about that. My microphone just went dead, so. I'm gonna have to plug this in, so just give me 1 sec and I'll plug this in. My bad, didn't think it was gonna go dead. So you didn't really miss anything. I was just saying, I I was just saying to make sure you line it up that way. I used a rectangle for this. I forgot I tried the line, didn't work out. So you could delete segment, you could delete that line, that line. These lines around, which will be a lot of them because you made the segment lines, and then that'll be fine actually because you don't really care what it looks like. You hit OK. You're going to extrude again and remove material. You don't want to go that far though. And you want to go, I think it's a good amount in. So let's just go with 50. It's a good value. You guys will use different ones. So that gets you that basic shape. You have to do it the same side, other side too. Which I'll do real quick. So now that you got, now you see how to do it, I'll just kind of whiz through. Yep. Don't have everything to save right now, so that's my bad. Make sure you get those angles, I guess. I think that should be good. So there, extrude. They didn't go away. All right. That's my bad. Add definition. So. All right. So once again, extrude. You're gonna do that, and I said 50 over here, I think. Yeah. So there you go. Looks nice and even now. So that's gonna give you your basic shape. I know there's a series of things that changes. Alright, so I'll just knock out the easy stuff right now. They do a round and right here, and they do one on this edge, and they do it on that edge. They don't do it on the top. They don't do it there. They do it on this edge again. Oh, not there, my bad. And there. And finally they do it here. I think it's everywhere they do it. So yeah, now it's just the holes, which isn't that bad. So let me get those done right now. You could use the tool, you could do sketch tool or the hole tool. I find that when you're want to do symmetric things, the hole tool is pretty easy. Just because it has these references that you set automatically, and you can have them equal. So instead of kind of that stress of trying to figure out which one goes and where that goes and etc. So let's just make it that big. I have to move this down. Let's move it to 75, I guess. It's a little too far, so it's 60. It's a lot of playing around with values and everything. I think that looks fine. Once again, I'm not trying to be perfect or anything. If you want to make yours look perfect, that's your prerogative. It's too much there, so maybe just try 5. Yeah, and that's a chamfer. Sorry, should have said that. Round makes it look different. In the picture, it's a chamfer. And finally, I think, no, 2 holes. They have 2 more holes. Actually, for this, I think I did sketch because I wanted to do them both at the same time. And if you do it this way, you can see I just hit there, and you can have that. You can do references there, there, and there. And then, using this handy tool called center line, I don't know if I introduced this, you can find the center of this point, which for some reason it's not finding right now. Oh, it's because it's being stupid. But there you go. There's the center. And then using that, I can kind of base where my circles want to. Actually, I can put another one too. Center line actually lets you put point weight anywhere. I'm just going to do it where I think the center should be, which is right there, and I guess right there. Using those 2 lines I just made, I can go ba-bam and ba-bam. And I kind of went quick there, but see how it says R, that means it's the same radius as there. So they're equal. And with that, I can just hit OK, extrude, opposite side, remove material, and I'll hit OK. And that's done. So there is exercise 10 for chapter 3. Yeah, that's done. All right, on to exercise 11.